We'll guide you through how to make screen flip transition in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import 2 video clips from your computer into the project panel. After the clips have been imported, place both clips in the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Overlap the clips slightly so the transition area is created between them. Once the clips are arranged, select the first clip in the timeline by clicking it. Enable the 3D layer switch for the first clip so it can rotate in 3-dimensional space. After enabling 3D, press R on the keyboard to open the rotation properties. You will now see X, Y, and Z rotation controls. Enable keyframes by clicking the stopwatch next to Y rotation. This creates the first keyframe at the current playhead location. Keep the first clip facing forward at the start of the transition. Next, move the playhead forward to the point where the transition should finish. Then rotate the clip on the Y-axis by changing the value until the first clip flips out of view. A new keyframe will be created automatically, causing the screen flip motion during playback. After finishing the first clip animation, select the second clip in the timeline. Enable the 3D layer switch for the second clip as well. Press R on the keyboard to open its rotation properties. Set the second clip starting from a rotated Y-axis position so it begins turned away from the viewer. Enable keyframes for Y rotation, then move the playhead to the same ending point of the transition. Change the Y rotation value until the second clip rotates into the screen and faces forward normally. This creates a smooth flip transition from the first clip to the second clip. After both layers are animated, preview the transition by playing the timeline from the beginning of the overlap section. Once everything looks correct, add the composition to the render queue. Click Render to export the final video. Your screen flip transition is complete.